In cybersecurity, if you don't practice in a real lab, you're not learning, you're pretending. Today, I'll show you 5 proven steps to build your own home cybersecurity lab, the same way real pros start their careers, safely, legally, and with just a basic laptop. Forget complicated setups, forget expensive gear. In just a few minutes, you'll have a real lab where you can master the skills companies desperately need in 2025. But here's the catch, I'm not giving you every tiny click. Because real cybersecurity experts don't wait, they figure it out. Are you ready to prove you are serious? Every journey needs a map. Here's your 5-step blueprint to build a real cybersecurity lab and kickstart your future. Step 1. Your foundation, the right laptop. Before you can defend the digital world, you need the right foundation. Everything strong, everything lasting, starts with solid basics. And it all begins with your machine. Your foundation. A laptop with at least 8 GB RAM, an Intel i5 CPU, and Windows 10 or 11. You don't need a gaming rig. You don't need a powerhouse. You just need something reliable ready to run 2 virtual environments side by side. If your system feels slow, that's good, because real cybersecurity experts master efficiency and turn every challenge into an advantage. But having the right laptop isn't enough. You need a space where you can safely practice and experiment without putting your real system at risk. Step 2. Your gateway to cybersecurity. VirtualBox. VirtualBox creates your hidden world, a safe private environment inside your laptop. It's your personal sandbox where you can build, break, and rebuild systems as much as you want. Install VirtualBox. It's lightweight, free, and trusted by professionals worldwide. And remember, getting stuck isn't failure. It's part of the learning. Comment, "No lab, no skills" if you need help, because real cybersecurity teams always work together. Now that you have your virtual world ready, it's time to equip it with the right tools. Tools that will teach you how vulnerabilities really work. Step 3. Your essential tool set, Kali Linux and Metasploitable. Kali Linux, your toolkit for ethical security testing. Metasploitable, your purposely flawed opponent. Import them into VirtualBox, power them on, and you'll have the perfect environment to sharpen your skills, safely and legally. Because real learning doesn't happen by reading. It happens by doing. But a real environment isn't just machines sitting separately. They need to communicate, just like real networks do in the wild. Step 4. Your private network for safe communication. Now it's time to create a private network, one that's completely isolated from the internet, but allows your machines to talk to each other. Use host-only networking. It's how professional labs are structured, safe, contained, and under your control. Find adapter settings in VirtualBox. Set both Kali and Metasploitable to the host-only network. If you can ping your target, your CyberLab network is alive. Now that everything is connected, it's time for your first real mission, proving that your lab is ready for your cybersecurity experiments. Step 5. Your first challenge proof of life, the ultimate ping. Start simple, like a real-world cybersecurity expert would. Ping your Metasploitable machine. Capture that traffic with Wireshark. Scan open ports with Nmap. These first small steps, they build the instincts you'll need as a future cybersecurity expert. Observation, analysis, action. Complete this challenge, and you've done more than most beginners ever will. Every cybersecurity expert you admire started right here, with their first small lab. Not by waiting, not by watching, by building and learning with their own hands. Your lab isn't just machines. It's your personal training ground. It's your first real step into the cybersecurity world, so don't wait. Start today. Because there are 2 types of people. Those who build their future, and those who watch others build it. Choose wisely. Mission starts now. Completed setting up your lab successfully? Comment, mission accomplished, facing any challenge. Comment, no lab, no skills, and we'll help you overcome it. Let's build your future. one step at a time. Subscribe now, because next we explore the real-world cyber threats that professional cybersecurity teams defend against every single day.